Hello friends, my name is Komal Mahmood. Today I will explain you how to size a solar system for your home. I will explain the steps and the components. These are the steps. The first step is calculate total load of your house. For example, you have two fans, one iron, one AC, you etc. Calculate PV capacity. What is meant by capacity? Capacity generally refers to maximum output generation of a power plant. I will explain in another video how we can calculate this capacity. The third point is inverter sizing. The fourth point is MPPT sizing and PWM sizing. These both are charge controllers. Battery sizing, if you are use battery grid system with storage, off-grid system with storage, and you need to follow this step. The last one is number of panels according to batteries. Before explaining these steps, I want to show you some the picture of inverter. A solar inverter. What is the principle of solar inverter? A solar inverter converts a DC, means direct current output of a PV solar panel, into a utility frequency AC that can be fed into a commercial electrical grid, and then it comes to your house. This you can clearly see in the picture. This is the solar panel. The power get from the solar panel fed into the solar inverter. If you want an AC system, then you need to use the inverter. And if you install DC system, then skip the inverter. Solar panels always provide our DC power, so we need to convert DC into AC. For this purpose, we use solar inverter. I hope you understand what is the function of solar inverter and why we need to calculate inverter and why we need to size the inverter. Next is the charge controller. There are two types of the charge controller. One is the MPPT and second is the PWM. MPPT stands for maximum power point tracking. And PWM stands for pulse width modulation. Okay. A charge controller or it is also called charge regulator, is basically a voltage or current regulator to keep the batteries from overcharging. The purpose of charge controller is to keep the battery at the safe level. It regulates your current and voltage that come from the solar according to battery. It sets values according to batteries. So charge controller is a necessary part in the installation of your PV system. This is the term DOD. You will see this term when I will explain this system sizing. DOD, this term is used for the battery. DOD is short for the depth of discharge. Is used to describe how deeply the battery is discharged. For example, if you say a battery is 100% fully charged, it means the DOD of this battery is 0%. It means there is no discharge, the battery is fully charged. If we say the battery have delivered 30% of its energy, here are 70% energy reserve. We say the DOD of the battery is 30%. It means 30% battery is used. A battery's depth of discharge indicates the percentage of battery that has been discharged relative to the overall capacity of the battery. For example, overall capacity is 100%, and here we can see that 50% depth of charge is this. Here the depth of the charge is 70%. Here the depth of the charge is 60%. Here the depth of the charge is 40%. If you see battery is 100% fully charged, there is no DOD. DOD is 0%. But if you say the battery is 70%, it means 30% Battery energy provide to the home, to your system, so its duty is 30%. So in the solar system we provide a DoD value to the batteries for proper working. I hope you understand the term DoD, charge controller, inverter, and these steps. Thank you if you understand these terms. I know I will explain all these calculations in another video in the part 2 of this video. Thanks.